What molecular biology do you need for USMLE Step 1? If you are gearing up for the United States Medical Licensing Examination, Step 1, understanding molecular biology is a must. This exam tests your grasp of essential concepts that, from the foundation of medical knowledge. Let's break down the key areas you should focus on to prepare effectively. First, you need to understand DNA structure and replication. This includes knowing the differences between single-stranded and double-stranded DNA. You should also be familiar with the stabilizing forces that keep DNA intact and the process of DNA replication. Key enzymes like helicase and polymerase play crucial roles here, so make sure you know what they do. Next, familiarize yourself with DNA analysis techniques. Methods such as sequencing, restriction analysis, polymerase chain reaction amplification, and hybridization are essential. These techniques help you understand genetic material and how it can be manipulated in a laboratory setting. Gene expression is another critical area. This involves transcription, where RNA is created from DNA, and translation, where proteins are synthesized from RNA. Understanding how genes are regulated and turned on or off is vital. Also, be aware of defects in these processes, as they can lead to various diseases. You should also know about gene structure and organization. This includes understanding chromosomes and their components, such as centromeres and telomeres. Knowing how genes are organized and regulated is key to grasping concepts of genetic inheritance and variation. Genetic exchange mechanisms are important as well. These include transformation, transduction, conjugation, crossover, and recombination. Understanding these processes is crucial for grasping how genetic material is exchanged, especially in bacteria. Epigenetics is another fascinating topic. This area covers modifications to DNA or histone proteins that affect gene expression without changing the DNA sequence. Changes like DNA methylation and histone modification can influence gene regulation and may be affected by environmental factors. Protein structure and function are also essential. You need to understand how proteins are built and how they function within the body. This includes enzyme kinetics and the roles of structural and regulatory proteins, which are vital for many cellular processes. Lastly, energy metabolism is a topic you cannot overlook. Familiarize yourself with how cells generate energy, including adenosine triphosphate production through glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. These processes are fundamental for cellular function and survival. Mastering these molecular biology concepts will provide a strong foundation for understanding disease mechanisms and treatments. This knowledge is practical for diagnosing genetic disorders, understanding drug mechanisms, and interpreting genetic data in clinical settings. By focusing on these areas, you will be well prepared for the United States Medical Licensing Examination Step 1.